Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my 360 vlogging setup. Lately on YouTube, we have been watching where many people are finding new and creative ways to hide the microphone receiver next to the camera in the stitch line so that it's not visible in the footage. For this setup, I'm going to use Rode Wireless Go. So I was like thinking what I can do which will make my life easier while using the wireless microphone system. So as you can see, I have laid out everything here. For this demo, I am going to use Insta360 One X2, but this works perfectly fine with your One R and KooCam 8K. So let's begin our setup. First, what we need is your 360 camera. Second is the selfie stick. Now for this demo, I'm going to use Insta360 smaller selfie stick. Then your tripod base. For this, I'm going to use my everyday tripod, which is from Leofoto MT03. Be sure you have quarter 20 threads on your tripod so that you can mount your cold shoe adapter. Now you can use it from any company. I am using from SmallRig. Insta360 One X2, we need this microphone adapter, which is from Sinova. Any microphone of your choice. Some Velcro straps for wire management. So I'm going to use same one which came along with Rode Wireless Go. Now the most important part and the heart of this setup is this cable, which will make everything work perfectly fine. Now this is a TRS extension cable. Make sure you get one right angle and one normal side. Now this cable which I'm using is from Ugreen and it's 0.5 meters and it's only 700 yen. So it's very cheap, means $7 I guess. I'm gonna keep this aside until we build our setup. Now let's begin. Let's attach our selfie stick, then our tripod base. Let's get rid of this door which will expose our USB-C port. Now make sure you keep this safe so that you don't lose it. Next is your mic adapter. So let's just extend this one length. Okay, depending on how high or what length you want to have your vlogging setup, you will have to get the cable according to that length. For handheld vlogging, I think 0.5 meter cable is good enough, but if you are doing the full length monopod setup, then you need a 6 feet cable. I will add all the links in the description so that it's easier for you to find. So let's attach this cable here. Let's take our first Velcro strap. Make sure the wire is perfectly in the center and attach our Velcro strap. Okay, that's it. The second one we will attach at the base so that it's well and hidden. So now as you can see, we have this extra wire left here, which we will just roll it. We have one twist all the way around and I think this is fine. So now let's mount our cold shoe. Here. And my cable goes here. So as you guys can see, our setup is ready. Our Insta360 One X2 connected to microphone adapter and to the auxiliary cable which is going straight down to our microphone receiver. Now let's do a quick demo. Let's power the camera. Let me grab my phone so that I can also have a live demo with me. So now as you can see, we have our setup, Wireless Go and our tripod. You cannot see the cable which is going all the way on the side because it's been hidden. You just have this cable. Let me close the legs. As you can see, your mic is completely hidden under your hand, so you don't have to worry about hanging or dangling anything next to the camera, right? As I mentioned earlier that we have this extra cable loop going on, so we can also utilize this by just extending the length of the selfie stick. Now it's completely straight, so you have an extra length also, and we can do vlog like this. As you can see here, we don't have any microphone visible. Oh, the light is here. See, it's completely hidden. So that's it, we are done with our vlogging setup. Now I am very much happy with this setup, as I don't have to worry about anything visible in my 360 video. I don't have to worry about hanging anything next to the camera, as everything is at the base. Now I need to add the charging handle. I will just extend the length of the cable and I'm done. I will just do the wire management of the charging cable accordingly, and everything is hidden as well, so that your camera weight is lighter at the top. As we all know, more heavy we have up here, the more strain you will have on your forearm. So that's why if the more heavy you do, you will have to add a counterweight at the base. So I think this is the only easiest solution and the lightweight solution. Do let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this setup. You guys prefer everything at the base, or you want to have everything at the top? If you like this video, hit that like button, do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my next video. Until then, see you in the next one.
अभी ये जो शॉप है, they use all this wood from this forest, which is very cheap. Icon, pen holders.